1 week ago at D23, we get announcements for this place. And it was so much fun. Just kidding, I didn't go. Who do you think I am, Tim? We're meeting Chippendale. We took a little detour. And speaking of new things, Peter Pan just opened. It just opened back up. They have something new. This is new. Oh, it's really nice. I like that. And we can't come to the Magic Kingdom without riding the teacups, right? Transition. I still can't do transition. I will say, the one thing I do wish they would update is these things. They're so loud. They need to be electric. That'd be fun. So while I'm on this, bumping around, why was the car always tired? Because it never took any brakes. He's driving by himself up there for the first time ever. He keeps stopping, but it's okay. He's still just like right at the cusp of being able to drive by yourself. So there's a first time for everything. He's not doing too bad today. Not doing too bad. Him, on the other hand, I keep hitting like every single turn. I think I've hit like this is 59, 60. If they did ever replace this, the one thing I would miss is the smell. I don't know why I love the smell of this ride, but I wouldn't miss the noisiness of this ride. It's so loud. So how did you feel about driving for the first time?
Good.
Good?
Yes, so we stopped a little times because I was trying to like
just a few times. Yeah. Just a few times.
My leg was getting tired.
Your leg was getting tired?
Yes, it was.
I'm so sorry. Maybe you shouldn't do it anymore. Speaking of new things, this is, I don't think I don't remember speaking of new things, but this is a candy corn soft serve sundae at Andy Gravity's. Looks good. Is it good? It's good. So it is very good, but you can't eat it because the candy stuff that's on there, it's so hard now. Like it's like a rock. It's like trying to eat a rock because it got so cold and now it's so hard. You can eat ice cream though. So it has come to our attention that our children have never been in this area in the playground of Dumbo for the waiting area because we always go through Lightning Lane.
Daddy!
Holy cow.
Walk a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
We're on the ride. We made it on the ride.
Yay, everyone.
We're on the People Mover.
Favorite spots.
I'm terrible at transitions. I'm definitely not as good as...
Agent Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
So Tron was the last new thing that came to the Magic Kingdom, and that didn't take them very long at all. 5 years. It took them 5 years. So hopefully the new lands that they build won't take as long as it took to build this one ride. That ride is so much fun. It's short, but fun. There goes. There goes. We're on the riverboat because everybody else was, and we had to do it too. This thing is packed too. It's been packed all day. It's probably been packed all week, but especially today because it's Saturday. It is very, very busy. So it's crazy that in a couple months probably, this will all be gone. The walls will be up. And we'll be seeing the renovation and construction of a Cars Land in Florida. I love the Cars Lands in Disneyland. It's going to be different. It's going to look different. It's not going to be Radiator Springs, I don't think. It's going to be really cool. So we're going to be going from a slow-moving boat ride to speed. I am speed. Back behind here, so over that way, behind like the trees and stuff back there, that's where Villians Land is going to go. That's going to be really cool. It's going to be like completely different looking back here. It's crazy. Now the question is, will all this stuff stay for the train, or will it go away for the other stuff? I'm not sure. Not sure. So what are your thoughts on this closing and turning into Cars Land? I'm okay with it, because I will miss the aesthetic of it, but I never rode this ship. I never rode this boat. Never really went to Tom Sawyer's Island, so I'm not going to really miss it. I'm really looking forward to Cars Land. I love the one in California. Kind of excited about it. So that was a very fun day at the Magic Kingdom. We got to do some new things that are going to be going away. And again, what do you think? Do you like all the changes that are coming to the Magic Kingdom? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. And I will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.